Welcome back to BK42. Aquamile is releasing a new folding e-bike, and I got this sample yesterday to unbox and review it. In this video, I want to see how well protected is the bike inside this box and how fast we can get this bike ready to go. So, let's get it started. A good surprise here. Inside the box, there is another box. The bike comes very well protected and safe inside those two boxes. In less than 30 minutes, the bike is assembled and ready to use. It comes with an owner's manual and assembling it's pretty straightforward. I will ride and run some tests on this bike in the next video, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Ciao!